Hello everyone, how to use Google Drive in offline mode. So let's start. The first, open your Google Drive and go to the right hand side, and you can see the one option ready for offline. Just click on it and click on this offline mode on, and that's it. Here the left hand side you can see the bottom, the offline preview turned on. Okay, and to turn off, again click on this offline mode and click on this turn off. That's it. Now your Google Drive in online mode. Okay. And if this option is not found on your Google Drive, then go to the settings, click on the settings, and here in Google Drive setting, just scroll down and you can see the offline option. Make sure this option is selected. After select this option, you can see here this icon. So this is a way you can use Google Drive in offline mode. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.